Rosan Hanse fraudulently took a sum of Rs 15 lakhs in the name of issuing land pata from KAL English. Ceremonial distribution of Dr. Banikanta Kakati Meritorious Award under Fraudulent Bharati scheme organized at Dipu on 11th of December. CM's Dreams project shuttered due to negligence and mismanagement after the completion of construction works. Good morning viewers, you are watching KAL Live English Prime Time. The trend of earning easy money could be seen rapidly rising to the peak in today's time. Many educated fraudsters had surfaced to the limelight as well. Middle class and economically backward civilians were the most targeted section in those cases. Some fraudsters fraudulently take lakhs and lakhs of money by promising government jobs, while some by giving false assurance to issuing land patas for land compensation purpose from the four-laning National Highway project. Likewise, at this instance, as the NHAI had initiated compensating the land owners of KAL whose land falls under the four-laning National Highway project, many bona fide and genuine landowners could be seen alienated from the compensation. According to sources, it was informed that people who had never set foot even once on the Section 5 area of the project are profiting lakhs and lakhs of land compensation money, leaving behind the genuine landowners of the area. Genuine landowners are deprived from the land compensation due to absence of land pata documents. Likewise, an individual named Rosan Hanse, portraying himself as a journalist, took a sum of Rs 15 lakhs from KAL English with an assurance of providing land pata.
Rosan Hanse.
Kumala Rosan Hanse ka?
Rosan Hanse ho pengopet.
Department namun din ma?
Aha, sana bu la reporter bon.
Reporter. Kopi long claiming yang di sini mah.
Solang ni di depan sini.
The visual you see here is Rosan Hanse. Rosan Hanse promised the old-age man KAL English to issue the land pata of his name to get the exact compensation value of the resources present at his home. Rosan Hanse was aware to the compensation of Section 5 reason of the four-laning project at KAL, hence proceeded knowingly towards KAL English and fraudulently took Rs 15 lakhs from his possession.
Nang lilong lagi dun ni kon ana
Lilong lagi dun ke aprang ke son ekbikha. Kon yang der bihai kom ke matron nolu saben yang.
La so ting ben long le ting ben nang lilong ma. Long le di. Tang de la bang so long jirat pe ni la thing pi thing phang hom purti pe ni hai ki dun pe ni la son anam long ik lab lo ma.
La so nam ne tan ni phan ke putar baklang le putar le amut paisa nang kilo la.
News Desk report for KAL Live. The event was jointly organized by the District Administration of KAL and West KAL District at Langkung Habib Memorial Town Hall, Dipu on 11th of December. As many as 407 meritorious students comprising of both male and female were awarded with Dr. Banikanta Kakati Meritorious Award under Fraudulent Bharati scheme during the ceremony. Out of the total 407 students, 320 students belong to KAL district, while 87 students belong to West KAL district categorically. Dr. Banikanta Kakati Meritorious Award under Fraudulent Bharati scheme was awarded to the female students securing 60% and above, while male students securing 75% and above during their higher secondary school leaving certificate examination. Jogen Mohan, Minister HAD, Government of Assam, Dorsing Ronghang MLA, Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM KAL Autonomous Council, Raju Tiso, Chairman of KAL Autonomous Council, Madhumita Bhagawati, DC of KAL District, Krishna Barua, DC of West KAL District, EMs and ACs of KAL Autonomous Council, and several dignitaries attended the ceremonial award distribution event. Compared to the last year at this instant, the awardees had jumped nearly the double of the total last year awardees. Last year, comprising from the both district, KAL and West KAL district, only 230 students were eligible for the award. But this year, the number reaches to 407 comprising from the district. Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM KAL Autonomous Council, while speaking to us, informed that the numbers of meritorious students had incremented this year. The educational atmosphere was hampered due to frequent violence and insurgencies in the past days.
গতিকে এনেধৰণৰ কাৰ্বি আংলঙৰ শিক্ষা ক্ষেত্ৰতো আগবাঢ়ি আছে আৰু আমি যিমান পাৰোঁ অসম চৰকাৰৰ লগত আলাপ আলোচনা কৰি আমি যে এডুকেশ্যনৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত এটা মডেল এডুকেশ্যন বৰ্তমান মুখ্যমন্ত্ৰী ডক্টৰ হিমন্ত বিশ্ব শৰ্মা ডাঙৰীয়া তেখেতে সিদ্ধান্ত লৈছে যে স্কুলবিলাক এটা মডেল স্কুল হিচাপে ল'ব বিচাৰিছে।
খুব ভাল লাগিছে আমি সমগ্ৰ অসমত মুখ্যমন্ত্ৰী ডক্টৰ হিমন্ত বিশ্ব শৰ্মাৰ নেতৃত্বত তেখেতে যেনেকৈ কথা দিছে তেনেকৈ কাম কৰিছে। সেই কথা আৰু কামৰ মাজত আজি কোনো পাৰ্থক্য নাই আৰু এই ঘোষণা তেখেতৰ যি ঘোষণা ইতিমধ্যে অসমত কৰি আছে প্ৰতিটোৱে কাৰ্যকৰী হৈছে।
News Desk report for Karbi Anglong Live. There are 26 constituencies under Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. Hence, to uplift sports culture in all the region, a mini stadium was provided to each and every constituency under Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. Likewise, mini stadiums were also provided for Bokajan sub-division. An amount of rupees 10 crore was allotted to each mini stadiums. Likewise, the said amount was also allotted to mini stadium constructed at Japra Langso under Sarupathar constituency. The constructions of the stadium had completed, but one cannot consider the stadiums as complete because it was not in the state of inducting into service. Due to negligence and mismanagement of the mini stadium, the stadium seems like abandoned as it is contaminated with litters and bushes. The government had provided for the welfare of the people, yet it is us who are ungrateful in receiving it, because such type of project would not be allotted twice. Therefore, the interventions of Dr. Tuliram Ronghang led Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council is utmost important at this point of time to revive the stadiums and induct into service, as the BJP government is very vocal to Swachh Bharat.
Nonili gidoke lakhain ko rahini Surupathar MSC constituency angkang dak Japra Langso lo indoor stadium ki mi kerange phan CM Dream project pen kuti kep atangka panong si homosti tin phan tame pipajir ponlo la sodak thak si dak pini Surupathar long tame nili tum lang kahobri bang thek ponlong la han lo je ladak tame kim rang lo sitame ladak isi nili tum ki thek ponlong ining ki oi me la pen nal tum han ke paklang ining ki hang la han lo je ladak kiter la pen ke air kiche la pen ekdam pumasi lang no dak la pason sidokok lo la siladak ke lang cari la pen la bangso adim ko puson si ke palang mejima athema non rajcharia song la ke BJP পরিবর্তন সরকার লো লাসি পরিবর্তন সরকার তো লঙ্গে স্বচ্ছ ভারত পাতাদু লাসো স্বচ্ছ ভারত bank ke non nili tumla dake bank penang theklong le delo.
Anand Terang's report from Bokajan for Karbi Anglong Live. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.